Alright, so I had a nice little 4-bolt set here of 5/16 24 by 1/2 inch ARP bolts. They're the perfect size for the water pump pulley. So now that's all omitted and gone. I have pipe plugs for these as well. So I'm probably going to end up disassembling this mess as well today while I finish up the wiring for the fans. And I'll get some vacuum caps to do this right. And I'll fix that vacuum hose. I just want to spruce up a few small things here, just so it's drivable more than anything else, and then we'll go from there. All right, so working on tidying this up. We're gonna get our grounds together for our fans. And there was some redundancy here. Then we'll get our power, which is our blue. I actually tested this from the switch. And let's hopefully get both those fans working. All right, a little wire tidy up. And we have one fan blowing, 2 fans blowing, and a lot nicer electrical. Like this redundant ground is gone. This going to we don't even know is now gone. Gotta figure that out, get it out, spliced out. But so we're running. Both fans working as it should. Stuck it up to the radiator. Look at that. Yeah. Both fans working correctly. Imagine that. Gauge in the car here. That's a mechanical gauge, so it sure as hell is accurate. It's right at 190. The fans are running. My hand is on the radiator right now. That son of a bitch is ice cold. Radiator is cold. Now it's starting to get warm. That nitwit. That's hot. Can't feel this hose because there's braided shit all over it. That guy put a 195 thermostat in it. Because you're sitting right at 190 now. This gauge. It's supposed to put a 160. Especially out here in the desert. The small block Chevys like to run cool. So there's... Alright, so she's been running a while now. And the temp has the lights on it. It's still right at 195. No turn signals. No wipers either, like we've discussed. This here. Most of this stuff, the horn not in the right thing. This switch doing nothing but locking it. Column, all of that, because there's no power going up to the column. It's all packed into that switch down under there. So that's going to take a long time to get sorted out. So, no turn signals, but our headlights are working. This is good. Lights working as well. So the car is running very well. that in, fluffed off, get that made a little tidier. Just get it so you can kind of go enjoy it, drive it. Then you take it over to your alignment man, and then come up with a good. Just did a little carburetor adjustment. Loosened it up at idle, and turned the idle speed down. It picked up about 400 RPM. Got some cats on there. Later in the week. Sunset. Later in the week. Get that overflow done. And let Maurice go drive it for a little while. And then I'll do some other stuff. Touch base with him on some things.